Far too many content creators these days are missing incredible moments because their camera is too bulky, too complicated, or just not with them when inspiration strikes. You might be struggling with shaky footage that makes viewers dizzy, missing the perfect shot while you fiddle with settings, or carrying around a heavy rig that discourages you from filming altogether. You're putting up with these limitations, all without realizing that a new generation of pocket-sized cinema cameras has completely changed the game. The truth is, upgrading your vlogging setup isn't just about better gear, it's about unlocking your creative potential and capturing life's moments with professional quality, anywhere, anytime. We have the top 5 options, from the undisputed king of pocket cinema to ultra-lightweight wearable cameras, ready and waiting. But first, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 vlogging cameras you can get right now on Amazon. We begin our journey with the camera that has redefined what a pocket vlogging camera can be, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We're starting in the premium mobility domain with this absolute powerhouse. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor is a game changer, capturing stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization is pure DJI magic, delivering gimbal smooth footage whether you're walking, running, or filming from a moving vehicle. The fast focusing locks onto your subject instantly, and the face and object tracking is so intelligent, it feels like having your own personal cameraman. For the creator who demands the absolute best image quality in a truly pocketable form factor, the Osmo Pocket 3 delivers professional cinema quality that fits in your jeans pocket. Next, we have the ultimate simplicity-first option, the W&O vlogging camera with rotating lens. This pocket-sized body camera is designed for one thing, making video recording absolutely effortless. Its 180-degree rotating lens is perfect for self-recording, letting you frame yourself perfectly without guesswork. It features one-button recording, so you never miss a moment fumbling through menus. With a 7-hour battery life and an included 32-gigabyte card, it's ready to document entire travel days or events. For beginners, seniors, kids, or anyone who just wants to capture memories without learning photography terminology, this camera removes all complexity. It's the definition of a reliable, accessible tool that puts the joy back into recording your daily life. Now, for creators who want flagship features without the flagship price tag, meet the Xtra Muse vlogging camera. This impressive contender delivers the same core specifications that make the DJI so beloved: a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K video at 120 frames per second, and a built-in 3-axis gimbal stabilizer at a significantly more accessible price point. It offers fast focusing and reliable face and object tracking, making it a genuine alternative for budget-conscious creators. It's also a capable stills camera for photography enthusiasts. If you've been dreaming of that professional, stabilized gimbal footage, but your budget isn't quite ready for the DJI Premium, the Xtra Muse provides phenomenal value and performance that punches well above its weight class. Shifting gears dramatically, we have something completely unique: the Insta360 Go Ultra. This is not just a small camera, it's arguably the world's most wearable vlogging tool. Weighing just 53 grams, it's almost weightless. You can magnetically attach it to your chest, your hat, your bike, or even your pet. Its 1/1.28-inch sensor captures impressive 4K footage with a massive 156-degree field of view for immersive POV perspectives. With 200 minutes of battery life in the charging case, it's built for all-day adventure. This isn't the camera for sit-down studio vlogs, it's the camera for skiers, cyclists, parents chasing toddlers, and anyone who wants a true hands-free point-of-view perspective. For capturing life from angles no other camera can reach, the Insta360 Go Ultra is in a league of its own. And finally, let's talk about the complete creator package, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This takes everything that makes the standard Pocket 3 brilliant and adds the essential tools for serious content creation. You get the same incredible 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, 3-axis stabilization, and intelligent tracking. But this combo includes a dedicated DJI mic for crystal clear, professional-grade audio that wirelessly syncs with your footage. No more scratchy built-in mics or complicated audio syncing in post-production. For the YouTuber, travel vlogger, or aspiring filmmaker who wants a complete, ready-to-shoot system straight out of the box, this creator combo is the ultimate all-in-one solution that eliminates every barrier between you and great content. From the cinematic powerhouse of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the value-packed Xtra Muse, the wearable magic of the Insta360 Go Ultra, and the beautifully simple W&O, there's a perfect vlogging camera here for every type of storyteller. Think about what you create. One of these cameras is your perfect creative partner. Click the links below to find the best deal on the camera that's right for you. Your story deserves to be told beautifully. Thanks for watching and happy filming.